Hello, my name is Jason Buck. I work with Remax Estate Properties and excited to show you this listing here. 30257 Via Victoria. We're in the Point Vicente neighborhood. Point Vicente School's like right over there. This is where I grew up. I love this neighborhood. Area 170 on the MLS map. If you're looking for more information about the area or what it's like to live in Palos Verdes, give me a call. I'm happy to help, and I know it really well. So the nice part about this one is the view that sits outside the back. And then there's some other really nice stuff. You got a nice clean roof, real clean house, 2-car garage up here on the knoll. And it's just wow. So we walk on into, so here's our lovely entrance and our host, Les Fishman.
Welcome.
And wow, I like it. So let's go right to the start. Shazam, big view. Through Catalina Island here, the isthmus. That puts the Santa Barbara Island right around here, and you're looking all the way around to Malibu on the other side. Wow, a lot of yard here, all sloped. Pretty magnificent. This is Berry Hill. Nice spot back here. So back into the living room with the fireplace, moves on through over here to our family area. Perhaps this is more of just a rec area. So you got a pool table, some fun stuff. Nice windows. This is really pretty and just a fantastic view. Yeah, so they do family here with the TV and the piano, and then on into our kitchen area. Tile floor here, which is nice. Got a half bath and laundry with access to the outside. There's a cute, cozy, and nice kitchen. Oak maple line. Nice. Some good cabinetry here. This is a good little nook spot. And then moving through the dining. Nice plantation shutters. Oh, this one's got they carved in a door to the garage. Clean. They got the floor, nice shelving. It's nice. So they can put their closet doors back and this becomes a bedroom. And the bedroom here, all wallpaper, but it's nice. And plantation shutters, looks like all the windows have been done. And we have our bath here. And our master. So master with the view, man, I'd put the bed here facing out that way, but every person does it their own way. This is nice, obviously. So, good room here, and it moves right on into your own bathroom. So separated here with the shower on this side, pedestal, and then a walk-in closet. I would put the bath here, man. Get the view, but that's the way they did it back in the day. They weren't always thinking about views. So, super clean. Really nice place. Well, if you're looking for a home and you need some advice, give me a call. I'm happy to help and make it a great day.